Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making shortbread biscuits dipped in chocolate and pistachios. I know a lot of Assyrians give these and receive them as gifts. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the shortbread cookies. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of icing sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, I've used Nido, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. For the filling, I'll be using apricot jam. You can use any type of jam that you'd like. For the topping, I'll be using half a cup of semi-sweet choc chips, which I'll be melting. And for the decoration, some crushed pistachios. I'll be using a 14-inch or 35 centimeter piping bag with a large star tip. And this is how your shortbread biscuits should look like. Serve them with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!